大家好，我叫 William. Today we learn the months of the year in Mandarin Chinese. To know the number of years in Mandarin Chinese, understand how to count from 1 to 12. We have uploaded the class of counting in Mandarin Chinese in our YouTube Fatima Institute. You can get that lesson from there. Learn how to count from 1 to 12 in Chinese. I can just count for you. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十 November or 11, 11 and 12, 12. So once you have known how to count from 1 to 12, the month, you just mention that number plus month or moon. Moon is known as Yue. Yue. So in Pinyin, now let me start with English. Months of the year in English first. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. In Pinyin, January, because it is the first month of the year, you call that Yue. Yue. Yi is 1. Yue is month. Yue. The characters, if you look at the characters, we just write 1. How we write 1 in characters? Then Yue. Yue, see how Yue is written in characters. So with characters, you just write the character of the numerical or the number, the character of the number, followed by the character of the moon. Moon is written the way you see as it has been presented in that column for characters. So January is known as Yue. February, you just say 2, then Yue. Rue. Rue, February. March is the 3rd month of the year. 3 is known as Sun, so Sun Yue. April, Si Yue. May, Wu Yue. June, Liu Yue. July, Shi Yue. August, Pa Yue. September, Qiu Yue. October, Shi Yue. November, 11. 11 is known as Shi Yi. 11 you just start with 10, then 1. 10 plus 1. Shi Yi 11. Then you say Yue. Shi Yi Yue. Shi Yi Yue. Shi Yi Yue. December is 10 plus 2, which is 12. Shi Har Yue. Shi Har Yue. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. In Pinyin, Yue, Rue, San Yue, Se Yue, Wu Yue, Liu Yue, Shi Yue, Pa Yue, Qiu Yue, Shi Yue, Shi Yue, Shi Yue. Now to say 3 months or 2 months or 10 months, you just put in between the number and yue ku. For example, if you want to say 2 months, are ku yue. Okay, I want to say 1 month. 1 month. 1 month is yi ku yue. 2 months, are ku yue. 3 months, san ku yue. 4 months, se ku yue. 5 months, hu ku yue. 6 months, liu ku yue. July, shi ku yue. No, 8 months, pa ku yue. 9 months, jiu ku yue. 10 months, shi ku yue. 11 months, shi yi ku yue. 12 months, shi er ku yue. So let me do the last counting of the 12 months of the month in Pinyin Chinese from January to November. Repeat after me. Yi yue, er yue, san yue, se yue, hu yue, liu yue, shi yue, pa yue, jiu yue, shi yue, shi yi yue, shi er yue. Okay, that is that for today. So try to practice. 再见。